Have you ever felt sad about the environment while on FSU's campus? So does PJ, a college freshman who is sick and tired of walking past garbage cans overflowing into the recycling. He feels out of control of his environmental impact since moving to campus, and he wishes there was a better way to limit his single-use waste.
Man, I wish we recycled more and threw away less.
As a member of the FSU community, it is very likely that you have also walked past a cluttered garbage can and misused recycling can. You may be wondering what options we have in our busy routines to minimize waste, and if you are anything like the FSU students we've surveyed in September of 2021, you wish you knew more about how to reduce your impact on the environment. You worry about single-use plastics and wish that there were more sustainable options on campus, or maybe you find the garnet and gold coloring on the recycling bins to be confusing and misleading. As a student, what can you do to educate yourself on the state of recycling on campus? Well, according to the FSU Facilities Department, in 2013, FSU diverted 79.78 tons of materials from the landfill. In 2013, FSU had an enrolled class of 41,477 students, which means that there were about 3.8 pounds of recycling diverted per student that year. Note these numbers may overstate the amount of recycling per person due to missing information on faculty and staff. But according to the EPA, the average amount of garbage single American produces per day was 4.69 pounds in 2005 and 4.9 pounds in 2018. The EPA also reports that in 2018, the average amount of recycling an American produced per day was 1.16 pounds. By these measurements, even with a generous estimate of recycling per person throughout the year, FSU students are producing more landfill waste in one day than they will recycle in an entire year. Unfortunately, though, this data from 2013 is the only information on recycling and waste currently available to students. It needs to be easier for students to recycle properly, protect the recycling from the landfill waste, and for students and faculty to keep track of their recycling habits. Just like PJ, who is worried about his impact on the environment, we asked, given that there is confusion and missing information about sustainability on campus, how might we help students learn about their impact on the environment and make more sustainable choices while on campus? Well, the answer has arrived. Our team is delighted to introduce the Green Machines, innovative single-cost investments and improved recycling habits that we want you to use on your campus today. The Green Machines incorporate user-friendly solutions to nearly every facet of the recycling problem on campus. Our design requires recyclers to check the material of their items before they recycle them so that the integrity of the recycling bin is protected. When users go to recycle their items, they must confirm the quality of their item by pressing the Green Machine's labeled buttons. Users will be checking to see if their item is number 1, 4, or 5, plastic or aluminum, before they place it in the recycling bin. The lid not only keeps the bin clean, but it encourages the user to build a habit of checking the recyclability of their item before they discard it, leading to improved recycling habits campus-wide and throughout the user's lifetimes. Our lids also include a small counter that counts every time an item is placed into the recycling bin, showing users the impact they are having on their campus and making it easier for campus authorities to record and share our progress as a community. You may have seen other recycling lids that utilize specialized holes to prevent bulky garbage items from being placed in the recycling, but these lids pale in comparison to the multi-step approach of the Green Machines. Our Green Machines are easy to install, brightly colored and easy to identify, thoroughly protect against rain, debris, garbage, and even against well-meaning but confused recyclers. And they do all this while efficiently counting how much has been recycled in that bin while educating do-gooders on proper recycling hygiene. We believe we have created a near-revolutionary system that will improve the lives of students just like PJ and save the world one plastic bottle at a time. Let's stop putting things off and start putting things in. The recycling. Visit our website for more information on the Green Machines today.